Hey everyone, if HandBrake is not creating an output file after conversion, like the process finishes, but no file shows up, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix the HandBrake no output file issue fast. First, check your output folder location. Sometimes the file is saved somewhere different than expected, so always verify the destination path. Next, make sure you set a proper file name. I mean, without a valid name and correct extension like .mp4 or .mkv, HandBrake may fail to generate the output file. Check the output format as well. Selecting MP4 or MKV is important because incorrect or unsupported settings can stop file creation. Try running HandBrake as administrator. I mean, this gives the program full permission to write files to your system without restrictions. Make sure your storage drive has enough space. If your disk is full, HandBrake might complete encoding but fail to save the final file. Also avoid saving files in protected folders like program files. I mean, use safer locations like desktop or videos to prevent permission issues. If nothing works, update or reinstall HandBrake. Sometimes corrupted installation files can break the output process entirely. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix the HandBrake no output file issue. Follow each step carefully, and your videos should save correctly every time. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions.